Hello and welcome back to another mock test video. It's been a little while since we've done one. Here what you're going to find is one minor fault but four serious faults. We're starting off here following the sat-nav for the first part of the route, and I'll skip ahead to where the first fault came from. You will probably recognise this first fault. It's been shown here many times, an early signal. Obviously that needs to be after the car park entrance. Nothing major, marked as a minor fault. Skipping ahead here, it's a bit of a miserable looking day, but as you can hopefully tell on the road markings were clear enough, and you'll see here it says keep clear, and you'll notice the driver of the car doesn't do that at all. They sit right on top of that. So failure to adhere to road signs has resulted in the first serious fault of today. Now, sticking with this route, we're just round the corner. I'll skip ahead a little bit, it's not too far until the next serious fault. We're in a street here to do a parallel park. So they get themselves up into the starting position, no real troubles here at all. Their starting position was quite nice. They get the car into reverse gear. Now what you're meant to do is check all around the car, make sure it's safe to move. They didn't do that at all. They done zero checks, they just started moving backwards instantly. So if you don't know what's going on around about you, it's going to get marked down as a serious fault. Now it's not going to be too long before you see the next couple of serious faults. The actual manoeuvre that they've done here was fine, it's just a pity that the fault was there. Now we're looking to take the road ahead. You might have just noticed on the road there was two lanes. There's the middle lane behind the white car there, or this right hand lane. Now both lanes go ahead, but this lane that the learner's chosen was designed for an overtaking lane rather than a normal driving lane. So because they made no effort at all to come back over to the normal driving lane, this was also marked as a serious fault. And so that's the third serious fault. And you're about to see another serious fault. Keep an eye on these traffic lights. These ones change, but they get through them. The next one's red now. Not slowing down, not stopping, not stopping, not stopping. I had to say to them, I suggest we get the brakes on. And you can see quite a heavy brake stopping at the line. There was the fault for not braking. I think they were maybe planning on going through it, or they were leaving it very late, one of the two. So in terms of the serious faults, that's what you've seen there. I would urge you to check out our podcast if you've not already done so. It's on YouTube. Drive and Drivel is the name of it, and we have a little chat there about all things driving related. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you get updated when we release new videos, and I hope this has been helpful, guys. Let us know. Catch you next time.